Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, commencement of Phase 1 of Project Kusha before 2025. India has recently granted acceptance of the necessity for the development of long-range surface-to-air missile under Project Kusha, a significant move to bolster the country's air defense capabilities. While the formal acceptance took place last month, the program has been in development for several months, reflecting India's commitment to indigenous defense technologies. Next, Stryker Armoured fighting vehicles faces technical challenges. In the wake of the recent 2+2 ministerial consultations between the Foreign and Defense Ministry of India and the United States, a senior U.S. defense official announced plans for the co-production of the Stryker Armoured fighting vehicles. However, insiders familiar with the matter suggest that the deal may face challenges as the current variants of the Stryker might not align with the specific requirements of the Indian Army. Next, tender issued for mechanical assembly support of Archer NG UAV. ADE has recently issued a tender of support in the mechanical assembly and associated aeromechanical activities of the Archer UAV, that is unmanned aerial vehicle, at ADA and in ATR Chitradurga. The initiative represents a significant step in advancing the development and deployment of cutting-edge UAV technology. Next, Qatar Court rejects appeal in espionage case against former Indian Navy officials. In a recent development, a Qatar court has dismissed the appeal filed by the Indian government in the case involving 8 former Indian Navy officials who were sentenced to death on charges of espionage for Israel. This decision adds another layer of complexity to an already sensitive international legal situation. Next, cutting-edge aerospace technologies take center stage at Dubai Air Show. The Indian pavilion at the Dubai Air Show is a hive of activity showcasing the latest advancement in aerospace technologies by top Indian defense companies such as Bharat Electronics, Bharat Dynamics Limited, Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited, and the Hindustan Aeronautic Limited. A major focal point at the Indian pavilion is the unveiling of twin-engine deck-based fighter, that is TED-BF, developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. Next, S.Jaishankar meets David Cameron, the newly appointed UK Foreign Secretary. External Affairs Minister S.Jaishankar met with newly appointed UK Foreign Secretary David Cameron and conveyed his greetings on assuming charge of his new office on Monday. In conversation with the British counterpart, EAM held discussions on strengthening India-UK strategic partnership and exchanged views over the ongoing conflict in Gaza and Ukraine. Next, Indo-Russia FOC meeting in New Delhi. Foreign Secretary Vinay Quatra co-chaired the Indo-Russia Foreign Office consultations meeting in New Delhi on Monday. In the meeting, the Russian delegation was led by Russia's Deputy Finance Minister Andrei Rudenko, and both country leaders held detailed discussions on bilateral issues between both countries. Thank you.